All right, everyone. So everything is fine. Can you share? Can you see my screen? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for confirmation. All right, everyone. So in this webinar, we are going to do market analysis, and I will focus mainly one or two pair measure and a higher time frame to lower time frame analysis. And after that, I will pick some important question answer end of the webinar. So first of all, we are going to start from major pair as a Euro USD, which is most tradable pair. And after that, I will share gold and Euro USD and gold. I will cover in this webinar. And after finish these two analysis, I will focus some requested your question answer. Okay. Yes, this webinar will be recorded on YouTube. I mean, published on YouTube after record this webinar. Let's start from Euro USD to and see exactly what happening here in a higher time frame, like in a weekly time frame, what happening here and what we can expect here. Right now, what is current situation? As I uploaded video on Euro USD, that everything is a various based on weekly time frame perspective. Right, because the previous market structure was created here. This was our previous lower low is here. As I mentioned, if you don't know why, how I mark this one, so simply you can watch my YouTube video I uploaded on YouTube about Euro USD multi-time frame analysis. Right, this was previous lower low as I mentioned in a previous video. Right, and market momentum is a varies based on weekly time frame. Okay, there is no bullish indication right now. Everything is a bearish because market took the main low and confirm that market structure looks bearish here. Okay, pushing downside. And now what are you looking here? Simply once market break the previous low or high in a major time frame and break the previous low, create a pause chop or anything here. Simply we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement or tap on unmitigated extreme supply zone or demand zone right here. Okay, so in this case, where is our decisional, like unmitigated decisional PY and extreme? First of all, you have to identify this is our inducement. Why this is an inducement? Because market momentum is always break the previous low, market pushing continue downside like this. Okay. So finally market break this high and first pullback is always called our inducement. First, this was our inducement and then market again break the low, create this one and this one. Okay. So this is our inducement here. And after taking out the inducement, generally, what are you looking here? We are looking here for sell. First of all, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order flow. Order flow is a primary and order block is a second part. Okay. So you have to focus on mainly on order flow. If you wanna start marking your order flow, right? Then always you have to start from top of the structure or bottom of the structure. So in a bearish market, always you have to start from top of the move. Even if you are buying or selling and finding your PY in terms of the order block and imbalance, simply you have to always start from top of the structure and bottom of the structure. So this is a bearish structure here. Look at this one. Where is our last buying momentum before the sell in this case? So this one is our last buying momentum is here before the sell, which looks unmitigated here, right? Why? Because this is a violet pullback here and market push higher and then market went down. So simply market create a proper imbalance here. So this one is our unmitigated extreme imbalance and everything is here. This one is called extreme order flow. And where is next one? This one. Because after this one, where is our decisional? The last buying momentum before the stop is here. Market break this one, but this one is already mitigated here. So where is our? Let's mark this one. Right. This one is called decisional order flow is here, right? And decisional order flow, when press tap on decisional order flow or order block or imbalance everywhere, I mean on your PY, then what happened? Okay, because this is our decisional price tap here, right? And create small reaction here and then sell. Okay, this is a chalk inducement and you can enter here. So this is called decisional entry, and you will get a 50% of probability for the buying and selling. Okay, and this one is your extreme. Okay, if price type here and create chalk, okay, and again push higher and create inducement and then sell. So this area become our high probability zone for the sell because price type on your extreme PY. Price not able to go higher, price just mitigate your extreme PY, and now we are looking here for the sell. That's why extreme always high probability compared to the decisional, right? And everything you have to always think about a probability. This trading is all about probability. Okay. So price type here and price react from your decisional and fail this one. When price fail your decisional order flow is here or PY, then what are you looking here? We are looking here for the again Y till extreme POI mitigation. So generally we can buy here for extreme POI mitigation. So right now, what is structure and what is situation here? Look at this one. The previous low is taken out. Once market break the previous low, and now we are looking for mitigation something, and then we can buy. So you simply have to identify where is our last selling move before the buy is there. This one, right? Because this is our last selling move before the buy. You can mark this one, and then we can identify if price came back this zone right here. So simply we can buy here on this point till the extreme PY mitigation here. Okay. So this is our internal structure. In future, we can see market type here and then continue go higher to mitigate the extreme PY here. Once market mitigate this extreme PY, then we can expect that market continue looking for the buy or market looking for like a continuation in a downside move. So it's depend on situation, but depend on right now in a weekly time frame, market momentum is a various, and you have to always think in a both side of probability. Okay, but right now the current structure is a bearish and everything looks bearish, and we are waiting for mitigation this zone before to buy to the upside, right? Okay, now let's switch here in a daily time frame to see exactly what happening here. Okay, in a daily time frame structure, you will see what happening here. This one is our previous structure was created here, and this is our higher high here, and this is a higher low here, and previous higher high was created here, and break the high. This one is called last break of structure was created here. Okay. And after break of structure, what are you looking here? Suddenly we are looking here for sell at this point, right? So this point become our chalk. Okay. Why this is a chalk? Because market break the main low is here. So once market break the main low, and then we are looking for sell after taking out the inducement. So this is our inducement. Okay. So once market get the like a inducement. Okay, so we are looking here for sell on X decisional like order flow, unmitigated order block is here. Okay, so if you are thinking that why I'm not mentioning that your order flow, okay, because the all order flow is already mitigated here. Look at this one. Last buying momentum before the stop is here, break and pull back and mitigate. The last buying momentum before the stop, break and pull back and mitigation. Again, the last buying momentum before the stop, break and pullback and mitigation. Same thing applicable here. So everything is mitigated here. There is no unmitigated order flow here. So if all order flow is mitigated, in that case, you have to focus on your unmitigated order block or unmitigated shadow. Okay. So in this case, you can see after taking out this inducement and suddenly we are looking for sell on this decisional PY is here. Okay. So if price tap here and then we are looking for the sell in a downside move here. And then again, what are you looking here? Price tap here. And now you have to wait for it to mitigate your extreme PY. Extreme is here, right? Because the proper imbalance create here. And if market like mitigate this one, and then definitely we are looking for the sell. So right now, this is our internal structure in daily time frame. So we are looking here for the buy after taking out this inducement here in terms of the daily time frame structure. Now you have to identify there is any unmitigated order block or order flow is here when we can expect reversal to the upside or continuation after break those PY. So in this case, we have to start from bottom of the move. You can see this order block is mitigated here, and this one is also mitigated here. This one is mitigated here, and this order block looks unmitigated here, which grab the liquidity and proper imbalance. Everything is here. So simply you have to wait for it to mitigate this one. If price came back on this point right here and create any reversal indication here, then we can expect one more move, taken out this high, mitigate this one, okay, and then we can sell here right at this point. So this one is our next possible scenario here. One sell and then after mitigation, extreme PY and then went down. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario here. Okay, so this one is a here, price type here, and then we can expect move to the upside before mitigation. This PY short term we can sell here. Okay, if market create anything here, definitely you can here sell here till this PY mitigation here. Now you have to switch here in a 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happening here. Switch here in a 1 hour time frame. So in this case, what happening? In a 1 hour time frame, market momentum is also looks bearish here. Okay. And mark this structure here. The previous lower lows was create here, lower lows and lower high. And then again, what happened? Market break this low and create a break of structure again. And after break of structure, generally we are looking for the sell. Okay. Because market break this one, taken out the inducement and mitigation, your extreme PY is here. Sorry, this one. Okay, in this case, only one PY is here. This is not extreme. Again, market break this low and close below it. And this one is also called break of structure. Lower lows here and lower high. Again, lower low. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. So after taking out the inducement, simply you have to identify again where is our unmitigated PY. So in this case, this is a decisional. Price type here, give reaction and fall. And first target, so major target is here and this is internal target, right? But market mitigate here and a lot of people catch this trade also and break the low. And again, market break the previous high is here. So market generally taken out the liquidity in a both side, first high and then low. So market taken out the previous main high low as a liquidity grab here. So this again grab the liquidity and again grab the liquidity. So generally market trying to taken out the liquidity in a both side. So simply you have to play in a both side probability after taking out the previous higher low. Sweep the higher low and you have to wait for it to lower time frame confirmation. This is a 1 hour time frame. So simply you have to switch here 5 minute time frame and we can buy here based on chalk or flip anti module here. Okay. And also you can apply here SUV anti module as well as here for the buy and sell. Okay, and how to trade internal structure, and I already make a video on it. Okay, so simply once market grab the liquidity, then definitely we can trade. Once market grab the liquidity, then we can buy or sell after chalk or flip entry module as well as here, right? So in this case, you can see the previous high is a broken here. And after broken the previous high, this is a sweep, push downside, chalk, and entry, and this is a valid loss here at this point. And this is a stop loss. entry, right? Again, market went up, and then what happened here? Market created another chalk, break the high. Now we need inducement, push downside. Market taken out the inducement, push downside, and then we are looking for the sell, and we can enter here. Again, sell based on SUV entry module here. Look at this one and push the stop loss just above it, and the main low is our target. So first loss, and the next one is a winning trade, and this is our entry. Again, market grab the previous low is here, and now again we are looking for the buy if market are taken out the low. Market is still not taken out the low. If market taken out the low, then definitely we can buy. To follow the same principle here, market push downside and break the high. Again, chalk inducement and mitigation, and we can buy here. Again, inducement and mitigation, and we can buy here. So this is a process when market grab the both side liquidity here. All right. So I hope this will help you for as a day trading perspective and a long-term perspective as well as here. Right. And now let's switch here in a gold to see exactly what happening in a gold in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Let's start from daily time frame structure to see exactly in a daily time frame structure. If you can see here the previous high at this point, technically the main high was created here. Right. When market break the previous high or low, then market grab the liquidity. So same thing happening here. The previous high is taken out, which act like a liquidity, and then we can expect a downside move. Same thing happening in a bottom side. This demand zone is here. People are looking here for the buy, and this is a liquidity grab. Market taking out the liquidity and go higher. Same thing applicable here. Supply zone and everyone looking here for sell because this is a resistance zone. And then what happened? This side to grab the liquidity, and a lot of people interested here for the buy after breakout this one. And also, if a lot of people sell here and put the stop loss just of it. So market taking out the liquidity in a both side, and then we are expecting that market can push downside. So this side will act like a PY is here, right? Market already mitigated this one, and after mitigation, this side we can see here, okay, and we can expect a downside move here. So this first low is our at least target here, right? And now I'm going to show you here in a 1 day time frame to see exactly what we can expect. In a 1 day time frame, this one is our previous pullback, break, inducement, mitigation, and push downside. Break the low, taken out the inducement, price close below it, and then we can sell here. In terms of the daily time frame structure in a gold. Okay. Now I'm going to show you here in a 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happening here. In a 1 hour time frame, market just took the previous high is here. This was our previous daily time frame inducement, which is already grabbed here. So once market grab the inducement and taken out the liquidity in a high time frame, first low is a broken, that's called chalk. So basically this low is a broken here. So this one is called chalk. After chalk, we can sell here, but we need a valid inducement before the sell. Why? The previous high was here, which is candle closer. If market candle close up a bit after mitigation PY, then we need a inducement right here. Okay, so this was a candle closer, push downside, and we need a inducement, something like this, and then market again go higher and then sell at this point here, right? And this act like an inducement. Okay, so this is a process to sell in a gold. Okay, and if market break the previous high, just break the high and just grab the liquidity, not close above it. So simply we can wait for break and then sell directly without inducement. Okay, so right now the price just close over it, so we need an inducement before sell here. Let's see what happening in a 5 minute time frame. In a 5 minute time frame, price trying to go higher, and this can be a small pullback, and this is a like a yeah, okay, This is the internal structure here, right? So market not create any kind of shock or flip here. So simply you have to wait for it to create the structure. And this is the internal structure here. Market trying to go higher before a downside move here. Okay. So simply there is no strong momentum in a lower time frame and everything looks bearish in a daily, weekly, and 1 hour time frame still. Right. You have to wait for it to create a valid price action before the buy and sell. Okay, so let's read some question answer. After that, I will finish the webinar and I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible. फंडेड चैलेंज कैसे पास करें? फंडेड चैलेंज पास करने के लिए सबसे मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हियर इज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. You have to follow the small risk, at least 0.25% risk on 50%, I mean, decisional entries, and extreme, you have to take a 0.5% risk and follow the. And before taking any funded challenge, you have to backtest your data and track your record that everything is fine, working fine on your side. Okay, if everything is working fine, like at least 60% of the winning trade, okay, and end of the week, end of the month is profitable, then you have to apply. Okay, first we have to backtest your data on a trading view through bar play. Otherwise, if you are taking it directly, then very highly chances you will lost. 50 निफ्टी के लिए टाइम फ्रेम, निफ्टी के लिए आप 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम यूज कर सकते हो, 1 मिनट फॉर एंट्री एज अ डे ट्रेडिंग परस्पेक्टिव. फॉर द holding purpose, you can take a like 1 hour and 5 minutes for entry. Can I use this strategy on crypto? Absolutely, you can use this strategy, crypto, forex, or anywhere like the stock or indices. If order flow and order block is a big, how we can enter in a smaller time frame. So first of all, if order flow and order block is a very larger, then always we have to wait for mitigation and then follow the lower time frame like chalk flip in a same different time frame like lower time frame. As per the time frame, like 1 hour is a higher time frame, then you have to use 5 minute time frame chalk and then wait for inducement and then you can take entry. And always one more thing I want to mention here, like for example, this one is your higher time frame PY, for example, right? If this one is your higher time frame PY and this is a very larger, then you have to always refine your same time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame, then you have to switch here 5 minute time frame, and then you will see so many unmitigated order block, order flow is here, right? And then you have to wait for it to mitigate those unmitigated order block or order flow. Price type here and give reaction and then sell. If price not react from your order block or order flow, then don't take. USD JPY. No, sir. Only two pair analysis and rest pair will be covered in the next webinar if possible. Can you show the chart color setting? Chart color setting. This is a setting. Okay. Body and border. Okay. When trading hub 4.0 will be released? 4.0 will be released before mid 2024, as I mentioned. Can we stick to the same time frame to analysis and no, sir, you have to take at least one more time frame to confirmation, which will be more helpful. Trend line setting. Trend line setting is a very simple, like draw any trend line as you want, like double tap on it, okay, and tap on style. This is the style, like straight and dotted like this, okay, and color as you want, arrow like this. Why don't you wait in a lower time frame during entry? So when price taken out the liquidity, in that case, you don't need to wait for lower time frame inducement. Okay. Like for example, if price tap on your higher time frame PY and then switch here in a 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame as per your lower time frame, the previous highs are broken And this is just liquidity grab here. So this is a chalk, and this is your unmitigated order block or order flow, your PY. Wait for mitigation, and here you can sell here. Simply, in that case, you don't need to wait for inducement because market already grabbed the liquidity. Do you take a DXY? No, sir, I don't analyze any DXY. I trade directly any pair. Mostly I trade like EURUSD or GPSD. 15 minutes also a similar here. For Indian market, Nifty, Bank Nifty. Sir, I will cover in a next webinar. No more analysis. I do 9 to 5 and willing to do trading part mid timely. Okay, can you get me what time do I need to trade in a crypto and how? Okay, for crypto market, market open 24 hours and 7 days. So simply you have to follow little bit higher time frame daily and 4 hour and 1 hour during entry. Okay, you don't need to go below 1 hour because you are not able to track your trade like so you can take at least daily 4 hour and 1 hour time frame for your trade execution. 1 hour time frame daily for the longer term perspective, and 4 hour for to marking your PY and zone and structure, and 1 hour for the entry. Okay, so this will be helpful for you and hold for like 1 or 2 days and take a small risk. I just confused during the recent quiz. So those recent quiz was you have to identify that where is our extreme is always high probability. That's why number 3 is a high probability, not 2. All right, everyone. So I cover mostly the most requested question answer already done. So if you join recently, okay, on a webinar, then definitely you can watch later. I will upload on YouTube. And thank you so much, everyone, to join this webinar. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice, great weekend, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone.